Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can like and dislike a video on Snack Video. So to like a video, you can either press on this heart-shaped button over here, or let's just pretend that we're going to, not pretend, we're just going to unlike it. And you can also double tap on the video to like it, and to unlike it, you are just going to select the heart-shaped button. But for instance, you want to actually dislike the video, you can press on the video for a few seconds and press the dislike button, and it'll show fewer videos like that from now. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!